Greetings, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Best Reviews. Today, we're unveiling the top 5 must-have iPhone accessories of the year. From game-changing charging solutions to innovative photography gear, we've got you covered. So, buckle up, tech aficionados, and get ready to enhance your iPhone journey. Don't forget to hit the like button if you're as thrilled as we are about these fantastic finds. Our first contender is the LISEN cell phone stand, a versatile adjustable holder for your desk. Crafted with ergonomic design in mind, this stand is a game-changer for those suffering from the notorious text neck. The adjustable height ranging from 7.1 inches to 8.5 inches and an adjustable angle between 5 degrees to 85 degrees ensure a comfortable viewing angle, reducing strain on your neck and back. What sets this apart is its user-friendly design. No more worries about bent cables or tip-overs while charging. Up next is the AceStand, a masterpiece crafted from top-tier titanium alloy, weighing a mere 53.3 grams. This foldable EDC phone stand isn't just a sleek pendant. It's a multifunctional accessory for outdoor enthusiasts and professionals alike. The titanium construction ensures durability and corrosion resistance. But what makes this stand truly unique is its built-in multi-tool with a bottle opener, screwdriver, pry bar, and hex wrench. Perfect for those who appreciate practicality and style in their everyday carry. AceStand is a testament to blending aesthetic sophistication with versatile functionality. Moving on to number 3, we have the andobil magnetic phone grip, designed specifically for Magsafe compatible devices. This grip not only prevents your phone from falling, but also adds convenience to your daily activities. With a 360 degrees rotation and a flip of 110 degrees, finding a comfortable holding position becomes a breeze. The super strong magnets, composed of 16 3mm N55 NdFeB magnets, can support the weight of 5 iPhones, ensuring your phone stays securely in place. The hands-free stand feature, with a hinge life cycle of 5,000 times, adds versatility, making it perfect for watching videos or taking selfies. Landing at number 2 is the LISEN Magsafe car mount, a hands-free magnetic phone holder designed for Magsafe compatibility. With upgraded features, including a steel hook for stability, an extended arm to prevent overheating crashes, and the strongest magnet force, this car vent mount ensures your phone stays secure while driving. And finally, taking the top spot is the LISEN 3-in-1 charging station for Apple Magsafe charger. This charging station offers excellent adjustability with dual hinges, providing accurate sweet points for both iPhone and Apple Watch. With a 170-degree adjustable viewing angle and a height range of 4.7 inches, it's a must-have for seamless charging and convenient device access.